Enjoy this meticulously maintained home in the Mattawan School District that has every detail completed for you. Built only 2 years ago, the owner has added $9,000 in professional yard installation and a full yard irrigation system. Additional items include custom blackout window blinds throughout the home, large bypass humidifier from BelAir, $750 value, custom front storm door, Sensi Smart thermostat, and Simplisafe Security System on all windows and doors. Located in the idyllic community of Concord Farms, this superb 3-bedroom, 2-bath home also offers a transferable builder structural warranty. Step inside to the soaring foyer with an abundance of natural light and convenient access to the 2-stall attached garage. Vaulted ceilings and a cheerful atmosphere greet you in the main level living area. Crisp white cabinets with custom cabinet hardware, gorgeous granite counters, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances complete the designer look. The large walk-in pantry offers ample storage. Also, notice the gorgeous high-end vinyl plank flooring. Picture yourself preparing a wonderful dinner while looking out over the large great room with soaring ceilings. The main level is complete with a large primary suite offering double closets and a beautiful ensuite full bath. As you stroll down the staircase, the walkout lower level features a game room and slider to a 10 by 10 outdoor patio, perfect for enjoying the private backyard. The 2 additional bedrooms each feature a daylight window. There is also a nice size second full bathroom. The convenient full laundry room, washer and dryer included in sale, also offers a daylight